Okay, so I've already done this, and the chords are now sore because of the amount of random noises I've had to make. So James, you've got off easy on this. You've got ones like Bat and Tasmanian Devil, which is pretty easy to do because cartoons. You can just copy the cartoon noise. I've got to give you high pitched ones, so Lord help me. The third is essentially just start stop whistling, which is take the whistle without the whistle part, just the blowing through your mouth, in and out. It's like the order I can't do myself, so the person behind the camera is going to do it without showing their face. Okay, so that's close enough to the orders any of us can make. So a beaver, from what I can find, sounds like a high-pitched Wario. So it's not whole, but it's like. That was from Beaver Calling 101 video. The axolotl, from all I could find, is it swims to the top of the water and goes blip. The actual noise is blip. So yeah, blip. I'll leave the chimpanzee to second last. The armadillo, as far as I know, when you flip it over, goes wee 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 wee. That's as far as I can find. I'm gonna do these two slightly off camera because of noise, because I can't really do them that loud. So face the camera in the middle, I'll go to the side of the camera. So the platypus is, and the meerkat is. So there's the reindeer, which just sounds like a really deep villager from Minecraft, which is just. That's what it was. There's chimpanzee, which is. As far as I can get it. And then there's wolfing, but because they're underwater, they don't really have a noise. So, here goes none. Oh.
Hello everyone again. Yeah, so the challenge today was to come up with a list of 10 animals. Initially we thought it was like sort of a test run to make sure we all understood, you know, that you get points for having different animals. And then Gareth turned it around on us and said that we need to do the noises of each of the animals. So that's what I'm going to get done. Luckily my list isn't too crazy. I knew Josh would go really crazy, like he'd Google the most exotic things in the world, so I was like, keep it simple. Yeah, so... Oh, okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So... Oh, I can't do it. Oh. Okay, no, come on, let's do this. Let's do this. We got this. We got this. For the bands, for the bands. Okay, come on. I look a bit raggedy because I'm back from a run. My hair's all messed up and everything. Yeah, so a horse. Nay. Oh God. Oh, I'm an idiot. A cow. Moo. A dog. A rat. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay. I don't know what noise a bat makes. Squeak. Wait. Squeak, 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 squeak. Imagine me upside down. Squeak, squeak. A Tasmanian devil. I looked this up. Yeah. A seal. Oh. Oh, okay. A penguin. A goat. I'm gonna fall over. A spider. That's oh my god. Okay. Okay. That's my attempt.
I genuinely haven't laughed like that in days. That was excellent. Valid attempts from both. Highlights: the chimpanzee, the bat. James's bat was particularly excellent. The wolfen, the whale dolphin thing at the end, brilliant. Slightly disappointed that two of those weren't on camera, because I would have loved to have seen the facial expressions that went with some of them. And for the fact that one of them wasn't even done by Josh, I'm going to have to give the win clearly to James in this one.